Right now, Shugs, before we get started, this is everything that was used in the videos for the wash and the 2-strand twist. Hope y'all like. Sorry I've been away for so long. But yeah, let's get it. So I'm really excited today because I was gifted by my man some pattern by Tracy Ellis. Like, he gave me the whole complete set. Like, there's a big ass box of all pattern shit, including the fucking, where is it? The fucking microfiber towel, which I cannot wait to fucking use. And this brush right here is also, you can detach it as well. That brush is really fucking clutch. And that comb, those are great for using when you wash your hair in the shower. Like that. But also the fucking case that it comes in. Like, look at it. That's quality. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that shit made me feel bougie. Oh shit. It came sliding right the fuck out as soon as I opened the bottle. Oop. I should call him. So the first thing you'll notice with this shampoo is that it's actually not as thick as it seems, but I don't mind it at all. And then also, when I start washing my hair, I normally don't just take the shampoo and just put it everywhere. I usually just work from the roots to the ends. But with this one, I was curious to see if, it'll like be harsh on my hair, because some shampoos feel a little rough. That's why I took the comb and combed it through just to see if it'll bring out my natural curl pattern or not. And it really did. It really did its thing, as you can see. So I definitely am feeling this. My hair definitely does feel hydrated, as the shampoo states that it will feel afterwards. So for me, the medium conditioner, which is closest to my hair type, which is between a 2C and a 3A, it works best for me. It's very thick, as you can see, like thick. And the conditioner definitely does penetrate, but it's definitely not my preference. I do have another conditioner that I do like more. So this one is a no for me. Now, I did light finger detangle before this, but I was curious to see just how hard this brush is going to be, if it's going to be hard at all, which it was not. Sometimes you can feel that shit really pulling that motherfucking scalp. But nah, this one was good, though. I fucks with it. All right, this is the big boy. Big boy! Even with the signature yellow or gold that pattern has on all its products, and here as well. All right. All right. Ugh. So now we're gonna mini shower ride this shit. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for this leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna pair this with the gel for some 2-strand twists. It definitely feels soft and clean. That's always a plus. That shit is definitely gripping my whole fucking scalp. Yikes. Now this leave-in conditioner was definitely moisturizing, definitely hydrating. Definitely did not, it didn't pack up. Like, most of the time I try to see how much of a product I can fit in my hair. Like, if I put this much in there, is this shit gonna like pack up really bad and start flaking? Just to see, honestly, how long I can go with that one style. It's not like a thick substance like I thought it was going to be, or even clear. They all pretty much smell the same. But dog, the ending twist, like, look at that. Fucking juicy, the shine, like I was here for it. Like the gel did better than I thought it would do. Most of the time I use the gel with extra hold. This one is just normal, minimal hold. So I'm you know, I'm so here for this. And I do love this serum. A little bit definitely goes a long way. Like this is not something you want to like completely just soak your fucking head in, because it's at the end of the day it's an oil. Your hair is going to be oily and it's going to be heavy if you overuse it. Just a little bit. I just use them to take out my twist, kind of rub some in my scalp. Now, I normally use a big metal pick. I would say this plastic pick is a lot more friendly on the scalp. I definitely did not stab myself. Sometimes I might scrape my scalp a little bit, have a little sore. But yeah, this one is definitely soft on the scalp and it still gets the job done. Like, I'm gonna fuck with that too. So just give my hair a few more shakes and boom, just like that, we got the finished product. Like, look at that. The volume, the shine, the definition, it's all there. I'm here for these products, y'all.